In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a British accent in ElevenLabs. This is super useful, especially if you're working on a project that needs that charming British touch. So if you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps dive right in. The first step you'll need to take is to head over to the Voices section of your ElevenLabs dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in to your ElevenLabs account. Once you're in, look towards the left panel of your screen. You should see a tab labeled Voices. Click on that and we'll proceed from there. Now that you're in the Voices section, you'll notice various options dancing across the top of the page. What you want to do next is select the Explore tab. This tab will open up a whole new world of voice options that you can browse through. So go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the Explore section, you'll want to refine your search a little bit. This is where things get really exciting. Look for the Filters button. It's usually right around the top of the page as well. When you click on it, you'll see a bunch of different filtering options that pop up. What you need to do here is select English under the language or regional accent options. After you've made that selection, don't forget to click the Apply Filters button. This will narrow down the list to show you only the British accents available. Voila! You've just filtered out the rest. Now that you have a refined list of British voices, it's time to explore and find the ones that resonate with you. Browse through the choices, and as you listen, take note of any voices that stand out. If you hear a voice you particularly like, you can save it to your personal collection. Just click on the plus icon next to the voice you want to add. This step is really handy. By saving your favorites, it will be much easier to go back and use them later for your text-to-speech projects. After you've saved your favorite British voices, the final step is to head to the My Voices tab. You'll find this option on the left panel, same as before. When you click on it, you'll see all the British voice models you've saved. Everything will be right there, ready and waiting for you to use. This is a fantastic way to simplify your workflow, especially when you're working on multiple projects. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to navigate ElevenLabs to find and save a British accent for your projects. It's a handy skill to have, whether for storytelling, video production, or even gaming. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Keep exploring the amazing capabilities of ElevenLabs, and I'll see you